Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you this lantern from Andy's shop. And this is his name on Instagram. Okay. And this is so cute, this lantern. And this is what it looks like. It's actually a nice size too. It is almost 8 inches tall by 3.5. And it's super easy to put together. All you have to do is cut this bottom piece once and then the layers 4 times. If you don't want that hole, then this one you just cut 4 times. And if you want the one with the hole, you just cut these 3 and then that one 1. And oh, I don't know if that was in frame. And it is so cute. And I just added one of my jumbo gorgeous girls because I figure how cute is that, like in a little girl's room. You know, let me see if I can move this a little higher so you guys can see. Okay. So it's a nice size. I think it's super cute. And if you don't want to put the hole there, you don't have to, but I think it's cute because you could, you know, it's easier to put this thing in and out. See? Let me turn off the light real quick just so you guys can see. And you guys see that? Look how cute. Isn't this cute? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let me turn it back on. Might fall. Hold on. Okay. So this is from Andy's shop. I'll put the link to this die in the description bar. And you know, you could dress it up, you can add a little trim to it. I just did a real quick one just so you guys can see what it looks like. And I just added the gorgeous girl. And even as plain as it is, it still looks kind of cute. But yeah, just a quick little project share. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.